If you always use this button to turn on your phone's screen, it's time to stop it right now. Let me show you a much simpler way. Hi friends, welcome to this video. To find an easier method, first open Setting, scroll down to Advanced Feature, go on Motions and Gestures, and enable these three options. Lift awake, double tap to turn on a screen, and double tap to turn off a screen. Now see how simple it is. With just a double tap on your screen and with another double tap, it's turned back on. Super easy and convenient. The funny part is that many people still don't know these options exist. So please hit the like button and subscribe, because we have lots of amazing videos with different tricks and tips and you will definitely enjoy. Right now, two very useful videos are showing on the screen. Go ahead and check them out. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing.